Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. I'm Kiran Gamer and today's video is we are playing Subway Surfers. Let's play it and be sure to like, share and subscribe. I'm a noob in this game. What is this? See, I'm really a noob. And please tell me how to play this game. Then only I know I can play. What's this? Hey man, I think it's not very tough. Double tap to hoverboard. Double tap. Yes, man, I'm a pro in mobile phone, but I'm a noob in game. What is this? N? No, now, no. Score 500 points in the first mission. It's my first gameplay. Hey, how we can go there now? Go. Let's go, man. Hey, man, no. I want to call it the Slayer. I think I'm learning how to play this game. Go. Go, man. I know I'm a noob in this game, but don't laugh, guys. Game is getting faster, man. Yeah, I think game is getting faster. I didn't know how. Is this guy running faster? Hey man, I lost. Yes, new high score 2076. Claim reward. Got it. What is this? Okay. Tap to continue. I didn't know what's the use of this. Let's go again. I think I can win now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I think I will win this. Let's go, guys. It will be the end for this. Hey man, what's this? Let's go. I think game is getting so much faster. Hey man, what's this? It's too good, yaar. Ward hunt complete. What is this ward hunt, man? I know I'm a noob in this game. Please don't laugh. And let's see how the game goes on. What is this 2x, man? What is this 2x? Let's go, guys. Hey man, I want to go. What is this box, man? Hey, yeah. Mission set 1. What is this? Hey man, what is the jetpack? Hey man, what's the use of jetpack in this game, man? Hey man, what's the use of jetpack in this game? Collect 100 coins in one, and I think we collected 100 coins, man. We collected 100 points. I didn't know what's the use of 2x, man. This is why I'm not collecting the 2x. You guys tell me in comment. Oh no, man. No man, what's this again? Hey man, what's this box? Yes, what's this? Score booster, I think. It's 1000 coins. Okay man, it's not a big deal for me. Let's play again. Let's go, man. I want to go more faster. You guys wait until I go faster and met you. Sorry for cutting, guys, but I don't want to bore you guys. Hello guys, I think I'm going faster now. This is why I quoted that gameplay, and now I'm recording. Now I know what this game. No, what is this game? I'm getting so much anger. What is this? Welcome to Marrakesh. Marrakesh, what man? Hey man, what's this? Missions complete award. Hey man, we got 3 keys. We got 5 keys, my brothers. Let's shop. What is this, man? I not know what's this also. I'm clicking wrong. Me what, man? What is this? Hello guys, I think now I'm going faster because 2000 score is I have. Go, 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 go. I think I would have made 10,000 now. Let's aim 14,000. Hey, I lost the magnet. Hey, so what? I think I can manage. What's I'm managing? You guys still how's my gameplay in comments? Please guys, because I didn't know how I'm playing. This is why I'm telling you guys to tell me in comments. Hey guys, we reached 4,000 code smart one score. We reached a 4,000 score. Hey man, it's so close. It's so fast, man. Now this game is going so fast. I think I lost this, guys. Hey guys, we are reaching 7,600. Oh man, it's too high for us. I didn't know, guys, how to play this. Why don't disappoint by me? Hey man, I lost. Hey guys, we have made it a new high score. I didn't know how you guys just get pretty free. 300. 300. What is this, man? Hey man, I lost my all coins. Yeah, this is not good. I think I can go faster and met you guys. Hello guys, I think I'm going faster now. This is I going now. Let's go. That's 3,600 score. How's it? I know I'm playing so badly, but please resist, guys. This is I not know how to play. Please tell me in comments how to play and make me up to 1k subscribers firstly. I not want 1k subscribers firstly. I want 1k subscribers firstly. What I'm telling, man. What language you guys want, that language please tell me. Then I will make videos by that language only. Wow. Wow guys, it's getting too good. If we get a magnet, we will get a lot of coins, man. That was close. Hey man, we lost again. I think I want to use one key. Use one key, man. using key. Using to second key. If you guys give me more support, I think I want to make this a gameplay series. And which game you want to be series? That's please tell me in comments, because I didn't know which games you guys want. I will become pro in the game if you guys tells me how to play. Please tell guys, then I will become a pro. Because of these votes we lost one day. See, we are almost lost again. We are going to 14,000 points. Hey man, we lost again. Can we spend 4 keys again? I think no. News high score 20,784. Hey man, when we got a mystery box, 3x whole votes. Good guys. Tier unlocked? What is this? Tier unlocked what, man? Okay. It's enough for today, guys. It's enough for today, I think. And let's meet another day with an awesome gameplay or anything you want, guys. And please like, share, subscribe my video, and bye. And tell me in comments how's the video.